condition here, the 13 to 12, and now let's run it and see what it will return. It will return nothing, right? Let's see. Assalamualaikum, welcome to another tutorial of Ukitections. Today we will learn how to use statements in Swift programming language. What are statements and how to declare these statements in Swift using Xcode. So if you are not a subscriber of this channel, please subscribe this channel. Also like our Facebook page, which is Ukitections tutorial. So let's create a file here, file new, and then playground, right? And then we will hit the blank and next, and here we have to entitle the file name, which is statements. So what I have created here, a file that's name is statement, and now we are removing this code from here. Initialize a variable a equals to 12, and here we just declare a value. What are statements? Statement is a decision making, right? Condition says if a equals to 12, then you have to print this statement. If a equals to 13, you have to print this statement. So what we are doing here, we are making a decision to print a value by checking the conditions or the statement. So what is statement? Decision. So let's start. What is the syntax of if a statement? We type here if, then write the statement here. Let's say a is less than 13, and then we will add here the brackets, and then we will pass here the statement that if this statement is true, print this value. So it prints a equals to 13 because the value of a is less than 13. Apply a statement. If the statement is true, it will print this value, right? What if we have to create else condition or if else? So this is the statement of if statement. The other statements are if else and else. So let's suppose the value of a is 12 and the value is not less than 12. I am changing the condition here, the 13 to 12, and now let's run it and see what it will return. It will return nothing, right? Let's see. So it display nothing. We said if a is less than 12, then print this. Because a is equal to 12, it doesn't print this. So what we will do, now we have to figure out how to write the else condition, else if condition. We say else if a is less than 13, then we have to print the value here, print a. Now what it will return, let's see. We have to return here 12. The condition says if a is less than 12, print this. Because the a is not less than 12, because it's equal to 12, it will print here, it will print nothing in the if condition. So then we decide to add another condition, else if. Like if this condition is not true, use this condition and perform this condition. So it say if a is less than 13, then print this a. So it says a is less than 13 and print 12, right? So this is not the last case. We are now adding here the value equals to 11, right? And we will now say else print value of a is 12, right? So the if condition says it's not less than 12. The if else condition says that it's also not less than 12. Then what it will do, it will print this condition. So let's it will print this statement. So let's run it and see it prints value of a is 12 or not. This is the part 1 of the tutorial of statements. We will continue this tutorial in the next session. See you again, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.